Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying policy and getting permission. This protects you and keeps access legit. Ask your IT department which VPN client they support and why compatibility and security matter. Once done, collect required admin credentials or a written approval email so installations won't be blocked. Make sure to note any special configuration settings IT provides, like server address, port, and authentication method. This initial approval avoids network violations and ensures any VPN used is monitored and safe. Follow IT's instructions to install the approved VPN client. Don't use unvetted software. During setup, enter the server address, port, protocol, for example ICAV2 or OpenVPN, and the authentication credentials IT provided. If IT supplied a certificate or profile file, import it exactly where instructed. Once configured, connect and verify the tunnel by visiting a simple site. Confirm the VPN status icon shows active. This careful configuration ensures compatibility with school systems and maintains encrypted traffic as intended. Finish by setting the VPN to start at login if your school requires persistent protection, and double-check split tunnel rules if provided. If the connection fails, collect error messages and the client log, then escalate to IT rather than attempting unofficial fixes. Make sure your VPN client is updated to the latest approved version and report any slowdowns so IT can adjust settings. One practical troubleshooting tip: capture the exact error text and the time of failure before contacting IT. That speeds diagnosis and keeps you compliant.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.